Imagine cruising down the open road in a vehicle that turns more heads than a Lamborghini, and no, it's not a supercar. It's something far rarer. You're looking at the 2027 Tricycle Camper RV, and trust me, you've never seen anything quite like it. This is not just a camper. It's a revolution on 3 wheels, and today, we're diving deep into what makes it one of the most bizarre, futuristic, and genius RVs ever built. At first glance, you might think this thing came from a sci-fi movie. Its sleek, aerodynamic body almost whispers through the wind. But this isn't a concept, it's real. The 2027 Tricycle Camper RV blends the freedom of a bike, the practicality of a camper, and the innovation of cutting-edge design. It's compact enough to squeeze through alleyways, but inside, it's like a tiny luxury apartment on wheels. The exterior is built with ultra-lightweight carbon composite material, giving it strength without sacrificing speed. Solar panels line the roof, constantly charging an onboard battery system that powers everything: lights, ventilation, even a tiny fridge. That's right, you can camp off-grid for days without worrying about a single drop of fuel. Eco-lovers, this one's for you. Let's talk about the interior, because this is where the magic happens. Slide open the side hatch and step into a cozy, minimalistic space designed for smart living. Foldable furniture, hidden compartments, a convertible bed, and yes, there's even a mini pop-up shower. The design makes use of every inch with jaw-dropping precision. Need a work desk? Flip out a panel. Want to cook? The induction cooktop is built right into a drawer. It's like living inside a Swiss Army knife. But it's not just a home, it's a traveler's dream. The 2027 Tricycle Camper RV is built to go places traditional RVs can't. Tight city streets? No problem. Backwoods trails? Bring it on. And with an electric drive system paired with pedal assist technology, you're not just cruising, you're gliding with zero emissions. Now here's the part that's blowing up online: there's only a limited number of these in existence. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted by a team of engineers and artists obsessed with minimalism and mobility. Each one is numbered, like a collector's item. People are calling it the future of nomadic living: compact, sustainable, and totally off-grid capable. So why are people so obsessed? Because this Trike Camper offers something most vehicles don't: total freedom. No gas stations, no parking fees, no campground hookups. Just you, the open road, and a machine that turns every single person's head when you ride by. If you're dreaming of ditching rent, escaping the city, or just turning your road trips into something unforgettable, this might be the one. The 2027 Tricycle Camper RV isn't just rare. It's rewriting the rules of what adventure can look like. And honestly, after seeing this, would you really go back to a regular RV?